Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Legal Shots with Vakil. And I really wanted to make this video for all those people who had their first breakup. That's 2 days back, your CLAT results were out, and I know I can understand what disaster it might have been. If you couldn't make it into NLU, it's absolutely okay. We all have been there. I had at least cried a lot because my dream of getting into my favorite Nalsar couldn't accomplish, but that's okay. NLU and non-NLU, it doesn't matter really. I know a lot of advocates who are practicing in high courts, supreme courts, who are not from NLUs. I know a lot of corporate lawyers as well who are into senior positions of this top law firms, and even they are not from NLUs. So it's okay if you couldn't make it, and if you could make it, so that's a good thing, congratulations. But yes, if you couldn't make it, just chill. You have a lot of other options in life and you need to just move on. Moving forward, and yes, true, you will find your true love soon. That's your new college, whichever you will be taking admission, and I'm sure you will love your college. Like, even now, if you'll ask me about my law school, I love my law school. So you will also love ultimately your law school, so that's not a part. So I really wanted to make this video. What next? A lot of you people who follow me on my Instagram, if you don't, please follow me on my Instagram. I'm very active over there, and I try to connect to as many as people as possible. A lot of students text me regarding doubts and everything. I clear every doubt of them, and I will even I help others. Like, if I don't have any contacts in that particular college, I try to connect them with my friends who are into that college. So you can follow my Instagram page, link I will be giving into description, and the name of my Instagram page is Legal Shots with Vakil. So please follow my Instagram page. And yes, I really wanted to make this video. So what next? So you have a lot of options. Okay, the first option is MHCT. Yes, I emphasize on giving MHCT because you have a lot of colleges in Maharashtra. Entire Maharashtra you can take, and in whichever university across Maharashtra, it could be Mumbai, Pune, Nagpur, Aurangabad, any university you want to take admission, MHCT is the base examination you are required to give. So if you have registered for MHCT, so that's well and good, but if you have not, then it's okay, you have other options as well. Because the last date is over. It was, I guess, July 17th, so now it's done. And moving forward, the second point what you can do is taking admission into your local colleges. Like, local in the sense, like a girl texted me 3 days back. She's from Jaipur and she wanted to take admission in Jaipur University. So that's well and good. You can, like, if you are from Jaipur, if you want to get if you want to take admission Jaipur University, that's awesome. You go ahead and take admission in whichever city you are. It could be Kolkata, Jaipur, Indore. All the local universities are like best. If you wish to, just go ahead and take admission in that colleges. Just try to ask people, across in that colleges, whoever are studying, like how to approach for the admission process and all, and you're done, you can take admission. Now the third thing is private colleges. So there are a lot of private colleges who accept your CLAT score, and they give you admission on basis of your CLAT score. So today I will be discussing about those private colleges. And let me tell you one thing, this is not at all a sponsored video. I just wanted to help you out, because when I was of your age, I didn't knew that these private colleges take admission through CLAT score, and I did not had much idea about it. But now, as you know, we are into law school, we meet friends or friends who are into other law school, and we just get connected, talk to each other. And because of my Instagram page also, I got to know a lot of friends, a lot of new friends I have made because of that. And I have a lot of friends in other private colleges also, and in general talk, they just told me that these colleges accept CLAT scores. So I'm making this video to help you out. Second thing, before approaching these private colleges, one homework you have to do it is to go on their website, check the fees, and you have to calculate it for 5 years. Okay, just remember, this is a 5-year course and you have to calculate it for 5 years. Talk to your parents that whether you could afford that much fees or not. that is also a thing. You should keep it in your mind before approaching, because obviously all these colleges have a normal, if you will take minimum fees, it's above 1 lakh. Okay, none of these colleges have fees below 1 lakh, so it's 1 lakh plus only. So you just calculate it for 5 years, it would be 5 lakh plus. So you could afford it or not, then only approach. And this needs to be decided by having a talk with your parents as well, because obviously they are going to sponsor. And after this, then only you finalize whichever college you want to. Now let us discuss about the colleges. The first one in this list is KP Mehta, which is also known as NIMS. So NIMS has various branches. It's into Mumbai, Navi Mumbai. So Mumbai has 2 branches, okay? Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, and even in Indore it has. So if you could see, if you want to get into NIMS accepts scores through CLAT only. So if you really want to get into it, if you want to go to Mumbai, then yes, go check their website and fill the application form as soon as possible. And NIMS has really good extracurricular activities in college. It has a good name. Like whenever we participate in any mood competition or debate competitions, NIMS has their representatives. So yes, it has a name. It has a bit, even it has a very good infrastructure, everything. So you can just go check out the website and look for more details over there. Moving forward, the second college is Nirma. Nirma is in Ahmedabad. So you can even go check out the website, look for much more details. Even you can download the brochure which is on the website, look for the fees and everything, and then take a decision. And even Nirma accepts the score of CLAT only for the admission procedure. So please hurry up guys and go check out these colleges and take a decision on basis of that.
List which accepts CLAT score is Amity. So Amity University, you might be having knowledge about it. It has various branches like Noida, Gurgaon, then Amity Mumbai is there, Amity Delhi is there. That's what I don't know exactly about Amity Delhi, but that's what Amity, Noida, and Gurgaon are there. Mumbai is there. Then Amity Jaipur is there. In all the cities, like big cities, Amity has their branches. So if you want to get into Amity, you can. And even Amity accepts CLAT score only. So you can go check out the website and fill the admission form. The fourth college in this is UPES Dehradun, which is in Dehradun itself, Uttarakhand. So if you wish to take admission into this college as well, this is also a private college, and this also accepts score, your CLAT score only. So you can go check out the website and take decision on basis of that. And now moving forward, the fifth and the last in this list is IPU. So IPU is basically the fifth college in this is IPU, which is the short form, but the real name is Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University, which has 12 colleges under it, which is situated in Delhi, and the total seats of these 12 colleges include 2670. Now to all the Delhites, I would say that if you're from Delhi, you have an 80% reservation in this college, so please go for it and take admission into it, because Delhi, if you will see the scope wise, Delhi has a lot of scope for law. In any field, if you want to get into law, Delhi is like the best place. And I know a lot of senior advocates at Delhi High Court, Delhi District Courts, then Supreme Court as well, who have done their BLLB from IPU. So yes, that is an advantage. So if you are a Delhi, then please take that advantage and take admission into it. Moving forward, to all the people who are from outside Delhi who wish to take admission into this, I would just say apply and see. Obviously 20% seats are there for you, and it matters sometimes. Matter of luck is also there. You never know, you can even get a chance to get selected, and you never know, that's luck. So if you can, just try. So guys, these were the colleges which accept your CLAT score and give you admission on the basis of that, and these all are private colleges. And
you can let me know what all queries you have regarding these colleges in the comment section. I will be very happy to help you all. Also, you can ping me on my Instagram page. I'm very active over there and I try to answer each and every query any student asks me. And please subscribe my channel, please follow my Instagram page. Until we meet, the video has been adjourned. Bye bye.